welcome back. So I'm getting started with this red polish here. I'm going to be adding 2 coats of this, and then I'm going to be curing in between. Now I'm going to be adding this red glitter here. I'm just going to be doing 1 coat of this one. Alrighty, and I went ahead and made these little holographic ghosts on my Cricut, and I'm going to be adding these to 3 of my nails. Now I'm going to go in with my Beetle's top coat. I'm going to be adding 1 thick layer on each of the nails. I'm going to be going in with this black gel polish here, and I'm going to be making the little eyes and the mouth of the ghost. So I decided to make some black little stars, and I'm just going to be doing these on the nails with the ghost. So for the pinky, I'm just going to be doing a black swirly line. And I am going to be adding just a couple of little red rhinestones on the nails. So it's going to be on the nails with the ghost and on the pinky. Alright, so once they're cured, I'm going to go ahead and put them on my hands, and this is how they turn out, guys. Super easy and cute sets. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.